Do you have a stubborn oil stain that didn't come out in the wash? We're going to show you how to easily remove oil stains with just a few household items. Here's what you'll need. Liquid dish soap, an old toothbrush, baking soda, and a paper towel. If it's a fresh oil stain, start by blotting the stain with a clean paper towel to get as much oil out as possible. Do not rub, just blot gently. If it's a set oil stain, you can skip the blotting and start with the next step. Apply some dish soap onto the stain. Now gently rub in the soap with your toothbrush to break up the oil. For stubborn stains, sprinkle some baking soda on top of the dish soap and gently rub in with your toothbrush. After the baking soda is worked in, let the mixture sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can dump the pre-treated shirt back into the wash, or simply rinse out the soap and baking soda with hot water. Let the item dry and you'll see the oil stain is gone. The sooner you can attack the oil stain, the easier the oil stain will come off and the better your results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.